Wait, cameraman, is that you? Are we talking about you?
Whoa, the cameraman's running just as fast as them. I like how he looks at him and he's like,
run
whoa.
as well?
Like, how the hell are you doing this?
Oh, he's faster than him.
Oh no.
That was amazing.
I would like to check the footages from this.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Look at this contraption.
Who won the race? The cameraman.
The cameraman.
Ah, you won?
Winner. Chicken dinner.
This is a cool contraption.
You get some peanuts.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's cool.
nice.
That'd be nice for a squirrel.
Be careful.
Oh my
What?
gosh, this guy's a pro.
He will fall. He will
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
He's just a
Whoa,
he's
okay,
a
he did
pro.
it. I was not expecting that.
That
Nice.
was cool. Oh, that looks satisfying.
Why didn't he slice it all the way through though? Why didn't it just puncture?
Not sure. Maybe it's like a
Wow.
extra strong
Yeah.
balloon,
So
right?
they're invincible
Yeah.
balloons.
Oh, ha! Safety measure.
Ah!
How cool is that?
So you can put your
Yeah.
sausage on it and it won't cut it.
Boom.
It cut it
Easy.
a little bit, I feel like though.
A bit, at least
Yeah.
you have a finger.
Take care of your
you see that
sausages.
thing. Look at that.
Okay.
Just
Ah,
a
just-
tiny graze.
Just the graze.
How it
That's
actually
amazing.
indicate that this is...
I'm not sure.
Not a
That's
weed.
the future, Archie. It's
Something
the
to do
future.
with the pressure and the sensors and such.
I guess that's how you engrave your car and spoil your paint.
Oh no!
It's what I'm thinking about.
What is he doing?
What
to
are they
this
gonna
thing?
engrave? Uh-oh.
It's the quake sign. It's
It
a
was
quake.
BMW, now it's Mercedes.
Oh, okay, nice, nice, nice.
All right. It's a BMW Mercedes.
Okay, we got a tractor coming up to this.
Oh,
A lot of phones and a lighter.
okay.
Lift
No.
it up.
What?
Oh no! It's gonna
No,
crush
no,
the
no.
phones.
Whoa.
Don't
It
tell me.
could be expensive. Fail.
What?
How? How?
Get out of here.
That man has a tractor forklift certification.
No.
No way.
No way.
No way.
That's a height.
Toe
What?
tap. Wow, he just
He just
floated.
flew in the air. That was
He just did a gamer double jump in real life.
a gamer double jump. That's
Wow,
true.
that's cool. That's cool.
Oh, all right.
Got some cursive happening.
In one line.
It's a twirly rose.
It's a twirly rose. What did he just do? What
Is
did
that
he
pencil?
It's a pencil.
That
It's
was
a
cool.
pencil.
Wow! Is that you?
What?
Archie, is that you?
Archie, it's
Yeah,
you.
it's me. let me dance here. I'll show you
Ah!
That,
Good
Saved it.
skill.
Saved it.
That was,
Yeah,
he saved
wow.
it. Yeah.
something.
No!
Whoa! I
Where's-
always
Where's the stick?
praise
Where's the
such a
stick?
thing.
Where's the stick?
Yeah.
Just
Had a little bit too much for lunch that day. Stick's gonna snap.
That is insane, though.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna make it? I feel like...
Bam!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Do it! Do it!
Whoopish.
What? He caught it! He caught it midair and he like just...
That's insane. That's skill.
Wow.
I always worry about them coming back down.
And
on the
he-
stick.
And he caught it.
Woo!
And he freaking caught it.
Okay, we got a little puzzle here.
Wow, he's
Okay.
fast.
He's very
Well,
fast. This
oh,
is
we
big
just
brain
jin-
time.
We just jinxed him. Oh, one's a double, one's a single. The
Yeah,
other
he
one's
has,
a
Yes.
double.
he has to get one out, I think.
So it's a single.
so you need to connect the. What?
Wow, okay, okay, okay. His big brain is like way too big for my brain. I have no idea what's happening.
Maybe he just
He needs to
mixing
get the
this
red
and
out. He
nothing
needs
is
to get the red
happening.
out. That's what he's doing. He needs to get the red out.
This is giving me flashbacks to like math class and not being good at it.
There we go.
Wow!
Bravo.
That was amazing.
It was good.
Oh, I really want to try this.
This is like a little
I
roller
think, I think,
coaster
I
that you
think, I
control.
think this is
the
like
speed
Switzerland or somewhere in the Alps.
of. Okay, let's go.
This
Let's
looks
go
awesome.
and
Look at
test
that.
it.
It's just a little freaking little roller coaster,
Yeah.
but it's just you on it.
Yeah.
With a brake. That's amazing.
Cool.
All the way through the woods.
I feel like
all the way
if you
down
go
the
too
mountain.
fast, I don't trust the railing. to
Well,
be
that's why
honest.
you have a brake.
Okay. But yeah, but he said that he wanted to go like full force, like without braking.
Full
so,
force?
Yeah.
Well,
force.
that's why he's behind the other
Yeah.
guy. He's like,
He's like, no, you're good.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
Even the kid there.
Yeah.
It's not that dangerous or what?
That's
No.
okay. He saw it in front of him. Good thing he has
This
eyes.
looks cool.
This is cool. Some tic-tac-toe with feet.
With football.
With feet.
Yeah, football, tic-tac-toe.
You mean soccer?
Football.
Oh.
What is soccer? I did not compute with this.
An American
with this word.
pastime. Okay, who's gonna win here? Okay,
All
she's
right.
X's, he's O's.
Oh,
one more for him.
You have a chance.
Oh, she blocked it
saved
out. She blocked it out.
She saved it.
Oh. No!
Oh,
you're so close.
Oh, he's gonna win.
Yeah,
Oh,
she won.
She
She
won.
won.
That was
Expectations
awesome.
defied. Oh, no.
Oh,
Gonna.
What is that, paint?
I don't know.
No,
Just imagine.
She's just trying to enjoy her day. He hit it with an arrow. That was crazy.
It's some skill. It's some
Some
skill.
major skill.
I always thinking who will remove all this.
Obviously
clean
the
it up.
wife. Or him, probably. She's
Yeah,
Look, and she got him back. She got him back. And she got him. The daughter's in on it.
Wow, the whole family is just. It's a
Yeah.
whole conspiracy against
And
this
he's
woman.
got. Oh, she's like, nah.
Nah, not doing it
denying
again.
that.
Not happening. Boom! You got played, son.
Who's gonna clean this?
That
Ooh,
was
nice.
awesome.
You can clean these off.
All right, some really dirty sneakers.
Looking pretty dirty.
That is.
Oh, what were those going
Ow.
through? Like,
I think they found them in
You know where?
an archaeological site.
yeah. Did you know
These are
that
sneakers from 5,000 years ago.
the cavemen actually wore Yeezys?
There we go.
They were stylish.
SP
Billie Eilish.
SP 2000 BC.
Okay, I don't think these can be cleaned. Do you?
I believe they will.
You think so?
I believe he
I
can
think
achieve.
they will. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know
Actually,
how well they're gonna look, but they'll gain the white back.
Okay,
I
interesting.
believe.
I have an idea. They prepare it and make him dirty. Before that, they was fine.
Oh,
Whoa,
look,
that was
it
a big
just
jump.
changed, so maybe he just got a new pair.
They look pretty good. Yeah, it could have been a new pair. What's up, man?
All right. Ooh,
We got
I know
Batman.
this character.
That dude, right?
Bat dude.
that dude and Birdman.
Bat dude and Birdman.
Okay, so we're making a mold here.
All right. Was that baby powder?
I think it was baby powder. Yeah.
Wet sand. All right. Compress it. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
And that was just a cheap plastic mask, right?
That's cool. Wow.
Nice.
Perfect mold.
All
Oh,
right,
drilling
three.
into Batman's face. Ow.
Okay. That's for the tin.
Whoa, it's gonna be metal?
Look
Yeah.
at that.
What?
That is awesome.
Awesome.
And little puddle on top.
Yeah.
That's really cool. We cut
Let's
that,
cut that
Cut it off.
I think Ooh.
And give it a bit.
It's
of
gonna
a-
look pretty cool.
That is nice.
Watch out, Comic-Con! You at Comic-Con!
Look at that! I want that in my room.
That looks so sick.
That
yeah.
looks amazing.
That looks good. But
You deserve it. You just slicing some water. Why not?
Stekpa.
What?
what?
Boom! Right in her head. Why? That.
You know that movie where they bent
Yes,
bullets?
wanted.
Yeah.
Wanted. That was good.
This
Morgan
is
Freeman was
dangerous.
was the bomb in that.
That was backwards. Come on.
What?
Wow.
How is that possible? Is that even humanly possible?
I guess so.
It's fake.
Is
That
that,
looks-
is that a real one?
No way.
No?
That's a toy.
What?
I'm getting deja vu's.
What?
Okay. Stacking up these cups.
Stacking up these cups.
Cupping up
Is it
these
the
stacks.
Reverse? Reverse?
No, I don't think it's reverse.
No, it was real
It's just
time.
pure skill.
It was real time.
What?
That
Whoa.
No
That was
way.
getting-
It's
Everything was-
I can't even fathom how she even did that. That was amazing. Give us more.